viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we will make lemon battery. Wow! Let's make lemon battery. We need some lemons, old meter to measure the current. We need some copper plate, zinc plate. It is available in hardware shops. Let's start the experiment. First, arrange the lemons. 4. Take the copper plate and zinc plate. Attach to a wire. Connect them in series. Let's start the connection. We need 3 volts to glow an LED. Now connect the LED. Wire ko.
After connecting another LED, we moved in a dark area to watch the LED glow.
Wow!